This video is from my Fuller & Johnson farm pump engine, serial number 24239. This has been rebuilt from a rusty pile of parts and is now in running condition. So here's the engine all rebuilt. It's pretty much in running condition. A lot of things have been changed on it. Everything that ran or moved or turned had to be rebuilt. There is a temporary gas tank on it. That'll be changed at some point. This is a vertical hit and miss engine. We have a little access panel for getting into the connecting rod, crankshaft. I don't know if you can see that or not. The crankshaft drives a large gear. Come on, get on there. Drives a large gear, which then drives this bevel gear, which creates a very slow motion to drive the water pump arms. Now, right next to it is an old pump that will eventually be used for this engine. Note how the engine is made to clamp right onto the pump shaft. I just have a temporary stand there to put it on. The box down below contains a Model T buzz coil, and a cutoff switch, and a battery. I put wheels on the base so I can move it around more easily. There's a single flywheel. Here's the hit and miss mechanism. Here's a muffler I made for it. Now that muffler is on the port. This cylinder has a port down at the low point of the piston throw, as well as a valve controlled exhaust port. So you'll see that during its running, most of the time the exhaust comes out, or the hit and miss air comes out of the exhaust port, but the actual noise and exhaust comes out of the port down below. There's an oiler for the cylinder. So let's turn that on. Okay, we're getting a little bit of feel there. I'm going to choke it. I'm going to stop for a second and give it a little quick turn. Okay, we're going to start the Fuller & Johnson farm pump engine. So first I'm going to turn the ignition off with a knife switch. Going to choke it. Hold down the intake valve, pop out the little handle, and just get a little swirl. Take the choke off. Turn the ignition on. Again, hold down the intake valve. Pull out the handle. And the handle goes back in. Now you note this has a lot of compression now. I can't turn all the way through compression. I just struggle to get through.